Hello friends, today in this video we will learn how to turn off people you may know suggestions on Facebook. So very simple, click on this drop down settings and privacy, again settings, here click on notifications, scroll down, here is the option people you may know. So guys, if you want to turn off and disable people you may know suggestions, so click on this drop down and turn off this option. As we can see here, it's already turned off. So in case you see in your account it's turned on, so select to off. So very simple and easy way guys to turn off and disable people you may know suggestion notification on your Facebook account. Thanks for watching and please share, like and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.